Matang Abi.
Yes.
Matang.
What are you buying?
Who are you? Is that you? American Love Bug? Oh, yes! It's you! American Love Bug! Hey, the English speaker! Long time...
What's your problem?
Anyway, long time no see. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How about you?
Me too. I'm fine, hate you. Anyway, I am looking for bagong. Do you have bagong? May I borrow bagong, please? I need it. Bago tayo magpatuloy guys, alam nyo ba na libangan ko ngayon ang manood ng anime? Tulad ng napanood ko na Zootopia 2 at napanood ko lang to ng libre sa Loklok app. Ayan, kaya kung hindi ka pa nakapag-download, mag-download ka na.
Bagong? What is bagong?
Ay, nako!
Oh my goodness! Here we are again! You don't know bagong?
No!
Ay, nako!
Bagong! It's like semi-liquid and semi-solid. It's color brown inside the bottle. Gets?
No! I don't get you. What is bagong?
Ay, nako!
Mga Inglesera yung Filingera nga, Inglesera. Bagong! There's two kind of bagong. There is bagong that is so many, what do you call it? Bones. And the other one is boneless. Yeah. Sino lang? Kaya?
Ay, nako!
Can you please translate in English because I don't talk your language?
Dagay ko po babi mo to. Okay. Ay, the English of bagong is maybe it's bagong. Yes, exactly. It's bagong. What? Yes?
Bagong?
Yeah, bagong. Do you have bagong? May I borrow bagong?
Yeah.
Kawawa na English mo rin. Matindi English mo rin.
Here. Bagong. Bagong.
Asus!
Naloko na.
What are your problem?
This is not bagong. This is bygone. Bygone katolya fulana.
Bagong. Oh, that's bagong.
Katol lang lugo bygone. Katol lang mayawan na bagong.
Ay, nako!
You don't, this is for mosquito. I'm looking for, get it? What I mean is, okay, let me explain it carefully and just watch and learn, okay? Listen carefully. Bacon is like, something like, the smell is very, very bad, okay?
I like you.
Pangikadal nga to, babay. Sa pangikape nga to, tama to, babay. Bacon, it's like, something like this. If you don't take a bath for 3 days, then your apingal smells like bagong. The smell is like bagong. Did you get it?
You introduce yourself.
Ay, nako!
Please give me bagong. The smell is like apingal if you don't take a bath for 3 days. Something like that. Something like this.
I like you.
May kape na ito na yun. Hindi na po may kape na ito na yun. Hindi na last ko fulana ni. Total namin nga. Bumakomprend dito ibanag. Ibagong fulana. Kagita na yung kolor ng tabi mo. Ano? May makomprend din. Mangit talon, makalifurog. Ha? Dark brown. Kunari. Nangagubad na kasurot ang bagongan eh. Yari kaya nagiging.
Kaya amek makomprende kaya mo amo manatugato ipanga mo. No gato amek makomprende kaya pero ikash mo tayo makomprende gatanga mo mano ka sa flano. Torbo ka mo ibenta ni Tori.
Ano mo komprend dito gato? Tigo na to tama.